So good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just we'll wait for 2 or 3 minutes because 21 attendees are there. As I said, today's attendance is mandatory for all 173 students. Let's see how much will be connected to this meeting. I'll wait for 2-3 minutes only, and then we'll go through the practical number 8 and 9. So your practicals will be, of course, completed. As I already provided data on Teams, SharePoint, practical 1 to 10, theory as well as code as well as output. You have to just write it as it is in well form or well handwriting. Though I have given every instruction to on the WhatsApp group, I have seen few of the files are not up to the say quality. I have seen just 2-3 files of particular student. I'll not name the student here, but he had just written half of the theory, not half of the theory regarding histogram. Second practical, just wrote a first paragraph and directly written the program and output. So middle complete, I think about 2 pages he has skipped. So of course, whenever I will evaluate on 13th and 14th and 15th of this month, I'll definitely evaluate accordingly, according to your performance, according to your attendance, according to your journal writing. So therefore I uploaded several instructions so that कि बाद में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि sir, I was not known to this. Okay. Again, let's see how many people will join this meeting. Suppose today similar number is there, suppose say 50-50 or 50-60, whatever. Those students I will consider though they have completed practical number 8 and 9 today, sorry 9 and 10 today, and remaining student have to write this practical 2 times, and I will verify during the Viva in coming week. Okay, so that's why I asked everybody to attend this. So let's see what happened. So today our target is to complete experiment number 8 and 9, as well as we will see the background of the linear block coding and the Monte Carlo simulation method background we already have seen in previous lectures. So let me open the file. Yeah, is PPT visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the practical number 9 is for linear block coding. We are going to solve for 10 by 4 linear block code. So just going through one numerical on this, generate a matrix to generate code word in linear coding or linear code. Using a matrix to generate code is a better option or approach. So code word will be equal to the message signal, that is I, into the generator matrix. This is the common equation for generating a code word. You might have seen this in DCOM or communication subject, where C is the code word, I is the information word, say maybe 4 digit, 5 digit, 3 digit. If it is 3 digit, then it will be 0 to 7, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 up to 1, 1, 1. And generator matrix will code particular information signal and the code word will be generated. So we'll see the example. Here, the generator matrix of n comma k linear codes has k rows and n columns. So here n is 4 and sorry, n is 7 and k is 4. So you can see here this bit 4 by 4 matrix I'm highlighting. This is just the identity matrix, say I of k, and whatever are the masses signal, these are the different masses signal of 3 bit, of course, because it is 7 by 4. So 7 minus 4 will be 3. So this is some message 101, 111, 110 and 0, 1, 1. It is a parity matrix, we say. So this combinedly is called generator matrix, which we need for generating a code word. So example will directly take generate code word for I1110. ये जो 4 bit है इसे code word में convert करना है with 7 by 4 generator matrix. Let's have the same generator matrix which were there in previous example. We can omit these 3 dots here. ये इसके लिए लिखा था just to separate out identity matrix and the parity matrix. So this is the generator and your message signal is this 111. So simple multiplication is done. How? This row with column, like 1 say this 1 into 1 plus this 1 into this 0 plus this 1 into this 0 plus this 0 into this 0. Whatever is the output will be the first code word, maybe 1 or maybe 0, whatever. Similar is done with this part of the or this column of the generator matrix with these 4 message, and again you may get 1 or 0, whatever is the product sum of this matrix multiplication. And accordingly what you will get, this is how it is written, just this I matrix multiplied by the generator matrix, and the code word we obtained is 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. So out of which you can see the first 4 bits are similar to the message signal and remaining 3 are the parity, say the additional bit added. So here information bits are this one. So if you go for all the 4 bit message starting from 0000 up to 1111, you will get different code words, means total 16 code words for this, starting from C0 through C7, sorry, C15. Another example, determine the set of code word for 6 by 3 code with generator matrix. Again, 6 by 3 means you have 3 message bit. Total generator matrix का जो rows, columns are 6, then rows are 3. Again, identity matrix will be of IK, that is 3 by 3, and here message signal जो है parity matrix will be of 6 minus 3, that will be of 3. So you can see here n is 6, k is 3, message bits are 3, that is we can say M0, M1, M2, these are the message bit. And if we perform the similar operation by multiplying each and every message bit, that is M0, M1, M2, starting from 0, 0, 0 up to 1, 1, 1, and if we multiply with this generator matrix, these are the 7 different messages can be formed with 3 bit. And if we go for the further multiplication with generator matrix, this code word will be generated, out of which you can see the first code word, first 3 bits of the code word is nothing but message, and another 3 are the parity bit. And you can see each and every bit of this parity matrix is different, means no code is similar. C0 is completely differ from C1 to C7, or we may say C6 is completely differ from another code. So this type of coding can be done here. So this was simply the theoretical background of the linear block coding. Let's go to the practical number 9. I'll open the linear block code practical here. And R is what? It is output. Simulate the program segment for generator matrix of 10 by 4 block code. So accordingly, you may go for 10 by 4, means 4 message bits are there. So accordingly, 16 combinations of codes will be there. So you may calculate and you can verify at your end. So we'll wait for MATLAB to be open. So today, as I made it mandatory, the attendances you can see it is 128. Meanwhile, during some middle lectures, it was only 55 or 60, not more than that. So I'll announce that you know what practical you attended from experiment number 1 to 10. Suppose I have everyone's data with me because I have digital attendance here and very easy to put formula there कि किसने कौन सा attend किया कौन सा नहीं किया है. So suppose I'm giving an example. Suppose roll number 52 has not attended experiment number 3, 4, 5, 6. So this particular roll number, suppose he or she, whosoever has to write this journal twice. 2 बार लिखना है. आपने एक बार लिखा है, अपलोड किया है, सिमिलर उसकी दूसरी कॉपी खुद के हैंडराइटिंग से बनानी है, which has to be reproduced during the viva. नहीं तो मैं ऐसे समझूंगा कि आपने वो पर्टिकुलर प्रैक्टिकल किया ही नहीं. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस डबल. किसी ने अगर 10 के 10 एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं किए, सपोज अभी 129 ही स्ट्रेंथ है, बचे हुए जो सो गए हैं, those student will write this SDL practical 2 times. एक बार लिख चुके हैं और एक बार लिखना है. एब्सेंट रहना है ना आपको. So this is the way of viva. Okay, now here you can see I'll open the practical as well. You can see the practical number 9, which is simulate the program segment for generator matrix for 10 by 4 linear block code. So you might have gone through, most of you have written experiment number 9 as well as 10 because I received so many files today. So this is the title. Objective is to perform generator matrix of this and determine all code word and minimum weight of the code. We need this facilities or apparatus. Theory will not go through. We just went through the theory where first digits are the information and another are the parity. Most important part in this, if somebody asks you to simulate during viva, external viva, you have a diagram, but getting diagram is not only the solution. You have to do this configuration of particular block. Just say the Bernoulli generator. Here Bernoulli generator, uska probability. I'll come to the block, double click it, property. So here probability of zeros. If I write here 0, then all the message bit, 4 bits are there. All message bits will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. If I write probability 0.5, then out of 4 digit, 2 will be, of course, 1, 2 will be zeros. And if I write probability 100%, that is 1, then all the bits will be 0. So you have to set accordingly. So this is initial seed 61 frames per Sample per frame is 4 because 4-bit message is there. So we are taking sample time is 1 and click on frame base output. This must be checked, otherwise run nahi hoga. So this is about Bernoulli binary generator. Then linear encoder. So what we want generator matrix. So this is the generator matrix. You can see if you put into the MATLAB, I will do it. I will control C and I'll paste it. I'll paste it into the MATLAB here. And now let's write something, say A is equal to. You can see here are the two matrices it is showing, but it is combined. It is column number 1 to 7 and column number 8 to 10, means total 10 columns are there, and it is expected as it is 10 by 4 linear block coding. And you can see here yahan se yahan tak 6 column are the parity matrix, and this you can see one is here and here and here. It is diagonally 1, means it is 4 identity matrix. 4 by 4 is identity matrix. So this here in this particular example encoder hai, so you have to provide the matrix, generator matrix. So generator matrix is provided. This whatever the numbers we have kept here are the parity matrix. And you can see furthermore there is I4. I4 is nothing but identity matrix. One thing is to remember, whatever the parity matrix, generator matrix you are providing to linear encoder, you have to put similar here. जो उधर है वही copy paste करना है. If there is a difference between this encoder and decoder generator matrix, then the output will not be there. Of course encoding नहीं होगी, and encoding होने के बाद decoding will not be proper. So this should not be different. Then another, this is about what? Generator matrix of decoder and an encoder, this one. Then AWGN channel, you have to put initial seed 80. This EB by NO 10 dB. Number of bits per symbol is 1. Symbol period is 1. And this, all these settings should be there. So you can see AWGN. We kept all this. Signal to noise ratio 10 dB will keep here. So I'll run this. Simulation is under process. Okay. So after running this, you can see what the probability of zeros I kept. It is 0.1, means only 10%. So there are 4 bits. So all bits are 111 here. And you can see here is the encoded signal for 111. Code generated is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and last 4 bits are 1, 1, 1, 1. Last 4 bits bottom mein jo hai, those are the message bits, and remaining are the parity bit. And here, just a minute, let me copy paste this. And say it is zeros and ones, say 50%. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see the message bits are 0, 0, 0, 1. उसका code word बना है this 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then message bits are 0, 0, 0, 1, and same is generated here. Let's see for 0.7 probability of zeros. Apply. Okay, I'll run it again. Something, take some different probability so that I want different code here. That's why. So you can see the code is now 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then you got code word 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and message bit is 1, 0, 0, 1. And again here into the output display, message bit is decoded, and as it is here. So what you can do at your end, you please try this example 10 by 4 with generator matrix provided here with you. This one is the generator matrix. कहाँ गया? Run it again. This is the generator matrix. With this generator matrix, 10 by 4 generator matrix, count all the, or say encode all the code words C0 to C15 with message bit 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 up to 1, 1, 1, 1, and at your end verify whether you are getting similar kind of code or not. Definitely you will get. So this is all about the linear block coding example. Now what I will do, I'll move further to the next practical, which is Monte Carlo simulation of QAM, 16 QAM. So you know what is a QAM and why we use Monte Carlo? Can anybody answer? Those who have attended the lecture, definitely you know what is the significance of Monte Carlo simulation. Yes, any one of you? Whenever data is, say, suppose particular data is too much varying or say random data, and by doing say manual iteration, you cannot come to the final conclusion or decision. In that case, we use a Monte Carlo simulation method, which will provide after certain time period, which will provide you the final conclusion or decision for particular, say, data, maybe in any field, maybe in finance, maybe in engineering, everywhere. So here, what is the aim of our 10th practical is to perform Monte Carlo simulation of 16 QAM communication system. What is QAM? Can anybody tell me the long form?
Quadrantial amplitude modulation.
Quadrature amplitude modulation, वो भी 16. So ये जो है at random you will get huge data. So for which we are using Monte Carlo simulation method. So again the theory is given. You went through the theory wherein what is your objective to perform Monte Carlo simulation on 16 QM communication system, and after that of course whatever the calculations you are getting, you have to plot EB by NO, means signal to noise ratio वर्सेस बिट एरर रेट ग्राफ. अगर हमारा सिग्नल टू नॉइस रेशियो पर्टिकुलर है तो उसके लिए बिट एरर कितना होगा, वेयर द बिट एरर इज लेस, ये सब एनालिसिस करना है. एंड व्हेनेवर वी डू इट मैन्युअली, ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी ह्यूज डेटा and one may not come to the conclusion or decision, and which can be certainly possible with Monte Carlo simulation. Okay, so you please go through the QAM 16-bit 16 QAM theory. It is very easy. Now I will open the QAM simulation here into the MATLAB. So you can see here first block is random integer. It is a random number generator where what is the array? M array is 16 QAM. That's why I have used 16 here. Then initial seed is 30. Sample time is 1 and data type is double. So if you open the configuration of this experiment, you will get similar thing here. This is the configuration. Random integer generator M array should be 16. If you change this seed rate तो उससे फर्क नहीं गिरा, बट M array हम 16 QAM के लिए ले रहे हैं, so M array should be 16. So it is already there. So go for the another block. Another block is what? General QAM. This is the modulator and here is the demodulator. दो block है. Random integer generator is there, then QAM modulator and QAM demodulator. In between there is a AWGN channel. So I'll go through configuration of this. So you can see the constellation diagram. I'll show you what is the constellation diagram. So your signal will be what? 0 to 15 and divide by 16 QAM. So this formula you will see view constellation. You can see the constellation diagram here. So this is the constellation diagram you might have seen into the journal. So similar logic should be at a demodulator again. You can see similar logic is there into the demodulator. What about the AWGN channel? So you can see QAM modulation demodulation is at similar thing, that is this is the formula. Then AWGN channel, it is signal to noise ratio should be equal to EBNO. So we will keep this. You can see initial seed is there. Then EBNO signal to noise ratio यहाँ पे select करना है, not another one. EB by NO, EBNO यहाँ पे EBNO, and all this setting as per shown in the journal. Then we have another is error rate calculation. This block will calculate error. Which error it will calculate? It will calculate error which is into the input and a demodulated output. Because whenever we have information signal, what we do, we modulate it, then pass through the channel, then demodulate it. So हमने जो initially जो हमारा signal है, that should match to the demodulated output, and if not match, there will be the error. So this you can see these both signals are taken to calculate error. So error calculation यहाँ पे ये settings चाहिए, that is port stop simulation, target number of errors are 100 and maximum number of symbol will be e raised to 1 into e raised to power 3. And then last is the workspace. So variable name kya hai? Error. Please remember, if you put different variable name, you have to use this while we are running the BER tool. So ये नाम ध्यान रखना है, ERROR. ये अगर कैपिटल है, एक भी लेटर तो कैपिटल, जैसा स्मॉल कैप सेंसिटिव है, whatever by default it is error. आप यहाँ पे A भी लिख सकते हो, no worry of that, but आपको as it is आगे यूज करना है. So here is the setting. Then what we will do, we'll run this. After doing all the settings, output port, then simulation, stop simulation, this everything we set, and there here the procedure is given. If you follow this procedure, this practical will run without any problem. What I will do, I will just directly run this practical. You will get several errors here. Yes, you got error, but this is not way to run this practical. We have to use MATLAB BER tool. So here into the command window, you just write BER tool. After getting BER tool, you will get this bit error rate analysis tool. हमें क्या करना है, वही करना है, bit error rate ही analyze करना है. So we'll see the setting of this. So this is the BER tool. So in BER tool we have theoretical, semi-analytic and Monte Carlo. ऐसे 3 simulation will get. So here EB by NO कितने हैं हमारे पास? It is 0 to 16. So I will put here 0 to 16. Then AWGN channel type is there. Yes, it is. Then modulation type, what type of modulation we are using? Please answer.
Amplitude.
Complete name. Is it AM?
Amplitude
It is
modulation.
QAM. It is QAM. So please select here QAM. Otherwise it will not. PAM भी है यहाँ पे, देखो कितने modulation, all the modulation, PSK, DPSK, QPSK, PAM, QAM, FSK, MSK, everything is there. We are running QAM, so we'll use QAM. Modulation order automatically आ जाएगा. Then after come to the semi-analytic, again we have 16 then again we have to choose QAM here and ये auto generate हो जाएगा and again remember this transmit signal and receive signal ये similar रहना चाहिए, then we will get, हमें यहाँ पे करना कुछ नहीं है but it will be similar of course. and in Monte Carlo हमें यहाँ पे कहाँ तक लेने हैं ग्राफ, so ये 1 to 5 देगा, we'll go for 1 to 16 with the stage of 0.1 भी कर सकते हैं, 0.2 भी कर सकते हैं, 0.4 भी, 0.5, कितने इंटरवल के बाद यू वांट मार्कर और ग्राफ मार्कर, that is decided by this. You can see 0.5 है, I will do it 0.2. You may go for 0.5 फिर भी मिलेगा, but 0.2 you will get good graph. Then here यहाँ पे हमें सिमुलेशन की जो फाइल ओपन है फिलहाल वो देनी है QAM की सिमुलिंक की फाइल. So I will browse it. I'll browse it. In experiment number 10, it is there. And this is QAM SLX file. I'll open it. Now, whatever the QAM modulator, demodulator is there with AWGN channel is provided to BER, that is bit error rate tool, BER tool, BER analysis tool, which is opened by MATLAB command. And now here I will run. वहां पे run नहीं होगा. Here I will run. So invalid BER variable name. Yes, as I mentioned, यहाँ पे BER variable name ही नहीं है. What is variable name? आपको बोला था मैंने.
Error.
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 So similar ERROR हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है and then run. So you can see here the simulation is going on. You will be able to. It is still going on. It is not stopped yet. Similar graph is there in your journal. सिक्सटीन तक जाएगा, अभी 10, 12 हो गया है. Okay, now you can see it is what it is, signal to noise ratio versus BER. Wherever the signal to noise ratio is poor, कहाँ पे you can see 0 to, are you able to see the numbers on x-axis?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see 0 to something 3. The signal to noise ratio is poor. That's why here you can say error rate is more. Then as you go further 4 to 6 or 4 to 7, again it is bit error rate is less. Again near about 7 to 12 bit error rate is less. And you can see 12 to 16 as the signal to noise ratio is what strong, then error rate is very less. Error rate is very less. You can see the last bottom में जो points आए हैं. You can resimulate the same. आपको अलग मिलेगा. If you run it again, you will get another second simulation. यहाँ पे आएगा. उसी point पे आएगा because I have kept 0.2 interval. उसी point पे आ रहा है. You can see. तीसरी बार भी run करोगे, you will get similar points for 16 QAM. So this is the simulation of bit error rate versus signal to noise ratio. So you can see simulation 1 हो गया, 2 simulation यहाँ पे run हुए हैं दिख रहा है. Then what we need here, we will plot theoretical graph here. Theoretical, semi-analytic and Monte Carlo ऐसे है. Theoretical means calculation करके, semi-analytic is there and Monte Carlo simulation system वाला. Theoretical हम plot करेंगे, इसके पास सब values है. Now theoretical plot, you can see theoretical plot is like this. Monte Carlo का देखो कैसे आ रहा है, यहाँ पे कैसे आ रहा है. It is as the signal to noise ratio is improved, then bit error rate is also less. ये theoretical. We'll plot another one that is semi-analytic. I'll plot it. Same, semi-analytic and theoretical because ये computer ने किया है. You can see. So this is how your 16 QAM is performed using Monte Carlo simulation. यहाँ पे यही Monte Carlo में ज़्यादा focus था हमारा. So in this way we completed experiment number 10. So I'll close the MATLAB. Before I say something, do you have any question or queries related to experiment number 1 to 10? All of you, please listen to my instruction. Now onward. किसी ने लॉगिन करके मोबाइल इधर उधर रखा होगा तो टेक इट with you and listen to the instructions. Any query, any question related to practical? Because now onward, I may not conduct your theory lecture or practical for this subject. I'll go for the internal Viva voice. Okay, nobody is talking, so no questions. You understood everything, I think. So here, first thing, as I mentioned, batch-wise practical submission will be there. Of course, the PDF file is submitted. That means journal is submitted. I'm verifying the journals here. And on Monday, I already circulated the schedule. On Monday, in the morning slot, that is 11 to 1, batch B is there for you 2. On Tuesday in morning slot, C batch for you 2. Wednesday morning slot 11 to 1, D batch for you 2. And for 4U1, Monday evening slot 3:45 to 5:45, 4U1 B batch, Tuesday C batch, Wednesday D batch. As per the academic timetable, I will conduct the Viva and practical submission. Second instruction is I will allow one person at a time into the Viva. So remaining have to wait into the lobby. Suppose 20 students are there. Out of 21 will be in Viva. 19 will be waiting into the lobby. I may call the random number. Not necessary. I have to go into the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. I'll call random number. So be ready for the Viva. Be ready with your original journal जो आपने हाथ से लिखा है. I'll ask you to show each and every experiment during this Viva. So your camera, your network should work there. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा कि सर कैमरा वर्क नहीं हो रहा है, नेटवर्क पुअर है, आपको अरेंज करना है वो. You have to answer the questions whatever asked into the Viva. आपके जर्नल जगह पे चाहिए ही चाहिए. You cannot say I am out of station and मेरे घर पे रह गए, मैं अमरावती आ गया, नागपुर चला गया. This will not be the reason. You have total near about a week. 13th को पहला वाइवा है बी बैच का दोनों क्लास के. So ये 4-5 दिन है. कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा सर जर्नल नहीं है. जहाँ ही जाना है तो जर्नल साथ लेके जाओ, आपका हैंड रिटन जर्नल. I'll not allow for the Viva if you do not have hard copy of the journal. You have to show each and every experiment to me, because I found few of the students has submitted similar files, same handwriting, same experiment, same everything. किसी ने skip किया है बहुत सारा portion लिखते वक्त, तो वो भी सब countable है अभी while calculating your marks. So जितना आप full बनाने की कोशिश करोगे उतना आप ही full बनोगे. So don't do that. Be clear, be say specific while submitting the practical. Any other question? Again I am repeating, nobody will give me answer that sir I am out of station, मेरे journal घर पे है या room पे है या hostel पे है या फिर इसने लिए उसने लिए. I'll not listen to that. I'll show you here the forms that I received. And lastly, we have to see the image processing practicals in virtual lab, and then I'll end this meeting. So about 1261 files are received till the time. So these are the responses that you have submitted. As it is in Excel sheet, it is very easy for me to see how many experiments are submitted by you like this. Here, like you can see here, Abhijit Warekar. I may take this one, Abhijit Warekar. And then we can see here, पूर्ण नाव नाही लिहिलं नाही. अभिजीत वारेकर सबमिटेड एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 2 1 दो बार सबमिट किया उसने, दो बार किया है. 3 4 5 6 7 8 here is 9 and 10. All the experiments are submitted, and if I go on this link, or I do have the folder access directly, I go to this link, within a second it will open, and see the presentation of Abhijit Warekar here. See the presentation. Abhijit, are you there into the meeting? Abhijit Warekar, are you there? Yes. Abhijit झोपला का? अभिजित वारेकर, तू बोलल्याशिवाय पुढे जाणार नाही मी. त्याचीच फाईल ओपन केली ना आपण. Yes. Abhijit, shall I consider these two practicals are not performed by you?
Sir, he answered in chat box.
Huh? What he answered? Let me see.
He answered in chat box.
Okay. Why mic is not on? Okay, ठीक है. So अभिजीत, see the file. कैसा लिखा है आपने? मैंने पहले ही बोला था अच्छी तरह लिखो वगैरह, एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर वगैरह वगैरह. पता नहीं मुझे, फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली आपका ही नाम यहाँ पे ओपन हुआ है. सो दिस इज एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 3, इंट्रोडक्शन थियरी. Look at the presentation, and again same file you must have with you during the viva. ये सभी एक्सपेरिमेंट मैं आपको तब कैमरा में शो करने को बताऊंगा सभी को. All of you, those batches are towards me, of course, excluding batch A of both the classes. उनका वाइवा नहीं लूंगा. सबमिशन लिया सफिशिएंट है, वो दूसरे इंस्ट्रक्टर देखेंगे. सो ये सब चेक किया गया है. मेरा वो 1000 रिस्पॉन्सेस मैंने देखे हैं, अभी बड़े हैं वो, कुछ वो नहीं देखे. आई विल चेक इट ड्यूरिंग द वीक, लेटर ऑन विल सी द वाइवा. Okay, now here we will go to the last point of this practical. It is mandatory to perform the practical on virtual lab. So we'll go to the virtual lab. The site is, I have mentioned the site into the meeting also. That is, site is vlab.co.in. I'll go to that. It is an initiative of Ministry of Education under the National Mission on Education through ICT. So here we'll see the DIP practicals. If you go for DIP practical, you will not find into the electronics and communication. It is under computer science. So you may go to the computer science tab. Then you can see IIT Kharagpur, I think, Hyderabad. Let me see. Image processing lab, IIT Hyderabad. So you can go to the image processing lab and you can see the related some of the theory I have for first 3 practicals. I think some of the theory I have kept from this practical as well. You can see the introduction is given, objectives are given, then list of experiments are given. We'll go for the image arithmetic experiment. If we click on image arithmetic, theory is given here. You may read this. Objective to learn to use arithmetic operations to combine images, to study the effect of these operations on dynamic range of the output images, to study methods to enforce closure force the output image to also be an 8-bit image. So you can see here procedure is also given, and we'll go for the simulation. Click here. So you can choose any of the image. You can see some operations are there like addition, subtraction, difference, multiplication and division. One way is the clipping. Another way is to auto scaling. We'll see all the options here. Select the secondary image कैसे चाहिए, bright, gradient or dull. Dull will be like this. Background, bright, gradient. So you may choose like this. Background algorithm or program you will not see here. That's why I have not went to this site or this practical performance earlier. You know what is image arithmetic now. So we'll see the performance here. So here select an image. So I'll select the image, click on select image. You may get any of the image, say this cricketer. I took this image. Then I may go for the addition. So I'll run this, just run it. The output image. You know, if we add similar image twice, 300 by 300, 300 by 300 image is there. What I did, same image is added to same. So of course pixel intensity is increased. 10 added to 10, it will be 20. 100 added to 100, it will be 200. And if it is going above 255, we restricted it to truncate to 255. So this is the result of processed image or the added image. Then go for the subtraction. What is expected subtraction mein? It will be black. So you can see the dark image is there because subtraction will reduce the pixel intensity. Then difference you can go for. Then multiplication you will get what? Enhance intensity or multiplication जो भी हुआ है 100 multiply by 100 या फिर suppose you have say 25 multiply by 10, the intensity will be 250. छोटे छोटे pixel भी रहे तो. So you can see it is a what now completely white image because after multiplication near about all the pixels went to the 255 intensity as it is 8-bit image. So you can go for the auto scaling. अब होता है. If you go for the auto scaling, multiplication is done, but your image is appeared here. Similarly, division, you can run it. Bright image, addition, subtraction, bright image, addition with clipping. You can see bright image I used clipping and bright image is the secondary image. That's why what happened. All the pixels went to the. This is secondary. This is first image. This is secondary image. ये इमेज हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर रहे हैं क्रिकेटर में. ये इमेज पहले डल इमेज ऐड की थी, ये वाली डार्क वाली लाइक दिस. ये वाले ये दो primary image and secondary image we added together. But whenever we go for bright image and if I run this, then bright image is added to this. So all the pixels went to the brightest value of the pixel intensity. That's why you cannot see a proper output. And auto scale, if you use the function auto scale, then of course it is added, but some scaling is there. Similarly for subtraction, similarly for a difference, you can see the difference between these two now. Dull के साथ difference कैसा था? With dull, this was the difference. With bright, this is the difference. And for gradient, gradient means you can see background is different here. Bottom में dark pixels है, somewhat on right corner you have faint pixels. If you run this with gradient, this is the difference. Similarly for multiplication with gradient image. division. So this is about the image arithmetic. You may select any of the image. We'll go for the another list of the experiment जो हमने perform किए हैं. Will not go affine transformation. Will not go. You can see by your own if you are interested. So not go for this. We'll go for the image histogram simulation. So we'll take histogram of any of the image. We'll select the image. We'll see the histogram of, say, first of all, I'll say this one. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे variation है, black and white, some shades are there. So I'll run the histogram. Very small values are there here. Sub histogram. Histogram is there, visible नहीं है. Show another image. Full histogram we'll go for. So this is the histogram of this particular image. Sub histogram means I may divide it this image into 4 parts, segment किया है, and I'll run the image. So you can see 4 different sub histograms are there. For part first, this is part second, this one, part third, and part 4. So this is how. Again, we have option to histogram equalization, then adaptive histogram equalization. You may go for this. You can run it. You can see the adaptive histogram equalization. And filter अगर आपको run करना है histogram पे, this can be also possible. This is the filtered image. So you can go one by one, you can see, and it is accessible to all the students as it is free. And what is point operations are there? Some point operations are there. You may see for a particular image. We went through all of these operations, so we'll go somewhat fast. So these are the point operations. You can change some filters, point operations are there. You can see frequency change log function पे. The output image is also different. ये Photoshop में लोग करते हैं इसको कुछ. Similar thing is done there. Later on, we have Fourier transform. So Fourier transform of any of the image we'll see. We'll select particular image and we'll run the Fourier transform. So this is the forward Fourier transform. These are the phase angles. Advanced में आप इसको masking वगैरह कर सकते हैं. Will not go. Then image segmentation and morphological operation we'll see within few minutes. So thresholding, manual thresholding, histogram based thresholding, manual, double, and automatic. Otsu method, you might have learned about this. There are 4 or 5 methods, Otsu's method for thresholding. So I'll select one of the image. Let's see this lotus I will select. Then single thresholding, run it. So you got single thresholding in this histogram यहाँ पे. You can see this part. And segmentation histogram निकला है. Where is result? double thresholding means there will be two values into the histogram and automatic. Thresholded image we have not obtained here. We'll see, we'll run it again. Yeah, this is the thresholded image, but what about single thresholding and double thresholding? Yeah, proceed करना पड़ता है यहाँ पे. So this is single thresholded. This one we'll go for the double thresholded. So this is double thresholded. You can see the difference. Immediately change हो रहा है. Single thresholding लिया है. If you run this, we got a single somewhere mean average लेके, and processed image is this. If we go for the double thresholding, if we process, this is the double thresholding, and Otsu's method से, if we process it, we'll get like this. So Otsu method is better. Region growing method is also there. You can have different thresholding here based on variance वगैरह. So this is about thresholding, and morphological operations we will see lastly. Theory वगैरह दिलेली आहे तिथे. So dilation, erosion, everything. So we'll take this text image to understand this one. This one, I will dilate this image. So shape is disk type and size is 5 by 5. I'll dilate it. You can see dilate करने के बाद, dilate is nothing but what? Expansion. So you can see the text is expanded. You can go for 3 by 3 pixel, somewhat less expanded. If you go for 7 by 7, it is expanded इतना हो गया कि you cannot read the text. So this is a dilation. Erosion operation with 3 by 3 disk type. You can see erode हुआ है, compress हुआ है. For 5 by 5, अगेन जो छोटे वर्ड है ये रेंज में भी नहीं आते. नीचे क्या लिखा है? समथिंग इज रिटन, वो चला गया है. 3 by 3, 5 by 5 and 7 by 7. So this is erosion. Opening and closing, I think the image must be different for opening. Yeah, this I will use for opening and closing operation. You please see the image. I'll run closing with 3 by 3. जहां जहां पार्ट्स जो है, सपोज देर इज ओपन लूप, एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रैक है, इट इज ओपन देन इट इज क्लोज्ड ऑटोमेटिकली. यहाँ पे थोड़ा दिखने को मुश्किल जा रहा है. You can see the changes if I run. Yes, you just see the 3 by 3. Here is something black spot into this image at the center. थोड़ा vertical black spot है. If I go for 5 by 5, उसे क्लोज कर दिया, लेकिन थोड़ा सा एक वहां पे स्पॉट बाकी है. इफ आई रन बाय 7 by 7 पिक्सल, ये फिल्टर है और से मास्क साइज है, मास्क साइज. सो ये इसे क्लोज कर दिया है. व्हाट अबाउट ओपनिंग? ओपनिंग में गो फॉर 3 by 3. इमेज में देखिए क्या कहाँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है. थोड़ा इमीडिएट 7 by 7. और इमेज लेनी पड़ेगी. लेट मी सी द इमेज. डू वी हैव सच इमेज? या लेट्स ट्राई ऑन दिस. थोड़ा दिखने को हार्ड जाएगा. या यू कैन सी द ओपनिंग. जो क्लोज लूप है वो पूरे ये कर दिए उसने. 3 by 3 थोड़ा ज़्यादा आएगा. 5 by 5 इट इज एट मिडल लेवल. क्लोजिंग यहाँ पे ही दिखते हैं हम. रन 3 by 3 बढ़ा दिया तो वो देखो 7 by 7. This is how what we have: dilation, erosion, opening and closing, which are said morphological operations. enlisted in your practical list, so we'll not go through. What we have, arithmetic operation, then image histogram, then Fourier transform, then morphological नहीं लिया है हमने, but morphological we have seen, image segmentation, ये सब लिया है हमने. Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
And few students are requesting to submit, delay in submission of the practical PDFs and requesting for getting 3-4 days or 1-2 days more. So this is not allowed. Already I extended by 1 day, and 10 practicals in an average 5 pages or 6 pages भी बोले तो it is not only 60 pages to write, and output you have to take a screenshot only. उसे तो कुछ लिखना भी नहीं है, output जो images वगैरह है. So you have to submit anyhow. You have to submit the practicals today itself. And some of the students are saying that only 2-3 practical बचे हैं, उसे टाइम चाहिए. 2-3 बचे हैं तो पहले वो तो सबमिट करो जो लिखे हैं. सो 2-3 बचना वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. आज आपको सबमिट करना ही है प्रैक्टिकल एनी हाउ, बिकॉज टुमारो ऑनवर्ड मैं यहाँ आके मुझे दूसरा कुछ काम नहीं है. टुमारो ऑनवर्ड व्हाट आई विल डू, आई डू हैव प्रैक्टिकल इवैल्यूएशन शीट. यू नो व्हाट इज दैट? 10 प्रैक्टिकल, ईच प्रैक्टिकल 10 मार्क्स, उस पर डेट्स लिखे रहते हैं, उस पर कोई ग्रेडिंग करता है. आपने देखा होगा जब यहाँ पे थे तब. वहाँ पे मैं सीधे सीधे मार्क कर दूंगा हाउ मेनी प्रैक्टिकल्स आर रिसीव्ड, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी. इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू मार्क as I shown. सब मुझे यहाँ पे सिर्फ नाम देखना है और पर्टिकुलर कैंडिडेट के कितने प्रैक्टिकल आए हैं. Like this Joel Adhau, he has submitted only 2 practicals, practical number 1 and practical number 2. So 8 practicals are remaining. ये यही status रहा. Tomorrow I will note it down into the evaluation sheet कि 2 ही practical आज के डेट में submit है. Later on submit करते हैं उसका that doesn't matter, उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं मेरे evaluation sheet में. On
सर,
time I need
आज
time.
रात को 12 के
I
पहले
need
सर
on
प्लीज
time.
12 तक
Who is
12
talking?
तक टाइम दे दो सर आज ही कर.
Who is talking?
सर जोएल
Yes,
सर.
Joel. As I said today I will not see, but tomorrow I will start my evaluation process. So today link is open. I have not restricted link up to 5 p.m.
Thank you sir. Just I
I
was
kept
asking
it
about the
open.
link only.
I kept it open till today, but tomorrow I will definitely evaluate according to your submission, because whenever particular instructor or teacher is evaluating different students, so in that evaluation, punctuality, cleaning, means neatness, viva questions, then understanding, attendance, these all parameters will be taken into consideration to evaluate the student in terms of marks. So obviously अगर हर एक को ऐसे अलाउ किया और मैं जैसे कि इसने सभी, जैसे ये जयेश जायसवाल, नहीं जयेश नहीं, और कोई केस, सपोज ऑल द प्रैक्टिकल्स आर सबमिटेड विद इन गिवन डेडलाइन. सो जिसने नहीं किया उसको भी मैं उसी रेंज में रखूंगा या फिर उसके साथ रखूंगा, ये ठीक नहीं है ना. सो टुडे एटलीस्ट टुडे आई वांट ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सेस, एंड आई नो इट इज वेरी इजी टू कैलकुलेट हियर किसने सबमिट नहीं किया. Here 1330 responses are there. Some of you have सबमिटेड रिपीटेड रिस्पॉन्स वो मैं डिलीट कर सकता हूँ. सो इन एन एवरेज नहीं, एक्चुअली टोटल U1 and U2 173 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. सो 1730 इतने रिस्पॉन्स मुझे कल दिखे तो ठीक, अदरवाइज समझ में आ जाएगा मुझे कि सबमिट नहीं किए. एंड हियर वेरी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई किसने नहीं सबमिट किए. जर्नल्स के फाइल मेरे टेबल पे रखे तो उसमें डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा किसने किया किसने नहीं सबमिट किया. बट इन दिस now digital platform here online, very easy to understand, very easy to evaluate. And 13 onward, whenever I will be going for the viva, agar suppose adhiraj ka viva chalu hai, I will see this part of the excel sheet, and one by one I will open all the pdfs of adhiraj during his viva, and I'll see whether इट इज प्रॉपरली रिटर्न, कॉपी पेस्टेड है क्या किसी का लेके यहाँ पे. धीरज, यस. Okay, then if you have no questions, Joel, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Joel Adhav. Yes. How many
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
how many sessions you have attended till now? नियर अबाउट 16-17 लेक्चर हुए हैं, जिसमें मैंने हर एक इसमें एक ना एक प्रैक्टिकल लिया है, या फिर 2 लेक्चर मिला के एक तो भी प्रैक्टिकल लिया है. फर्स्ट आई एक्सप्लेन थियरी एंड देन प्रैक्टिकल. तो कितने अटेंड किए? I have
Sir,
record. Yes.
practical specially, sir.
स्पेशली प्रैक्टिकल मीन्स मैंने
Sir,
हर एक इसमें प्रैक्टिकल लिए है. 17-16 लेक्चर हुए हैं, जिसमें मैंने हार्डली कैसे किया होगा, फर्स्ट लेक्चर में थियरी लिया, सेकंड लेक्चर में उसका प्रैक्टिकल लिया. सो हाउ मेनी प्रैक्टिकल यू अटेंडेड? लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल. तो जो अटेंड नहीं किए हैं बिफोर द वाइवा, उसके 2 सेट बना लेने हैं लिख के, समझे? Suppose practical number 1 to practical number say 5 you have not attended. Suppose I have data, I will check on during the viva. So वो जो 5 प्रैक्टिकल है जो अटेंड नहीं किए हैं ऑनलाइन, उसके डबल सेट बनाने हैं, दोनों सेट में टाइम पे देखूंगा. दिस इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर ऑल. दिस इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 4A1 एंड 4U2. सो आप आपका एनालिसिस करो, क्योंकि मैं 173 स्टूडेंट का डेटा आपको प्रोवाइड नहीं करूंगा. किसी ने मुझे फोन नहीं करना है, सर मेरे कितने बाकी है. डू योर सेल्फ एनालिसिस कि आपने क्या नहीं किया है. वीडियो लेक्चर्स आर अवेलेबल ऑन दी नेट. वो देख के सोचो आप कौन से नहीं किए कौन से किए. लेकिन मैंने अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट को बोला है प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 4th प्रैक्टिकल के आप 2 सेट बताओ मुझे इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, तो इसका मतलब डेफिनेटली कि 4th नंबर का प्रैक्टिकल आप अटेंड नहीं किए हैं. आई नो लास्टली वेरी फ्यू कैंडिडेट हैज अटेंडेड द प्रैक्टिकल्स. सो उसका तो अभी इम्पैक्ट होगा ही. आपको लगता होगा थियरी नहीं है क्या फर्क गिरता है, टेस्ट नहीं है क्या फर्क गिरता है. सो इट विल इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस. 2 सेट बनाओगे, ठीक नहीं बनाया तो आई विल इवेलुएट. दैट्स इट. ओके. सो आई थिंक बहुत लेक्चर हो चुका है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. I'll close this meeting.